Fight for Life, the plant that saved me from cancer, true story. This is amazing and real life story about a man, who was saved from the deadly cancer. Yes, you will be shocked when you find out that this man was saved from this terrible disease by consuming this very ordinary plant. Well, you may not believe it at first, but you should. This is a true story. This man has won the fight against cancer with this amazing plant. This is how the story goes. Back in 2002, this man was diagnosed with a benign brain tumor that was 5.5 centimeters big. So the doctors performed a surgical procedure in Sofia, Bulgaria, which went really great. But unfortunately it wasn't over. After 2 years, the doctors find out that the tumor was back with the same size, and it turned out that it was actually of a recurrent type, or better said, it was a metastatic cancer. So the experts told him that he should have another surgery, this time a laser one. So he didn't have any other choice and accepted this option. And once again the tumor was successfully removed, but there were consequences. His left arm and leg were paralyzed. He said that his life was in the hands of oncology. This man also had radiotherapy treatments, but this did not help either. The tumor was back again and he was scheduled for another surgery. After few months he recovered and he went to a rehab process, where he met the man who changed his life. Yes, he mentioned that this man had kidney cancer and was told that he was left only 3 to 4 months to live, but he met a woman who told him that he should consume black elderberry. Have you ever heard of black elderberries? Well, this bushy plant grows at the end of August and the beginning of September, and only the ripe fruits have powerful healing and medicinal properties. This procedure is very simple. After you pick the fruits that look like blueberries, you need to wash them and then dry them out. Then you start layering the elderberries with sugar all the way to the top. Then you should put the jar under the sun to speed up the fermentation process, and after 2 weeks close them with a lid and put them in your fridge. You just 2 amounts of this remedy for 1 year. How to use it? You should consume just 1 teaspoon of this powerful remedy 10 minutes before breakfast. And that's it. Sounds easy, right? He said. The man who told me that I should use this remedy said that this remedy is really powerful and extremely effective. He said that he was using it after he heard the terrifying diagnosis. It is now 5 months and he is still alive. He did a routine check and the results showed no signs of cancer, so after that I've decided that I should try this remedy as well. But I waited for 2 months until the elderberries were ripe enough. It has been 4 years now and there is no relapse. This remarkable man shared his story with many people around the world, and even his doctor said that he had a patient who cured breast cancer the same way, with this remedy. Note: you should know that you can consume this amazing remedy while you take prescription meds. They won't cause any side effects. Although the recipe has unpleasant taste that may give you an urge to vomit, after some time you will get used to it. This homemade remedy will boost your immune system and make you feel great. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank